We are about to go underway at the Kit Kat 350. Jimmy Johnson and Michael McDowell starting on the front row, Braxton Bush and Raja Caruth, second row. And we'll see the leaderboard showing the rest. This is the first race of the Old Dominion Freightline Truck Series. First race of the season. 15 laps will determine our Kit Kat 350 winner here on this Saturday night. Here comes the pace car off of turn 4, coming into the pits. Here they come to the restart zone, and we are green here at Daytona. Jimmy Johnson off to a great start here at Daytona. Oh, it looks like the 11 of Corey Heim is in the wall. What happened to him? Look at that front bumper. Here they come back. They're racing for position. And it will be Jimmy Johnson will start back on the front pole. We're back to green here at Daytona. Jimmy Johnson once again off to a great start, but a little bit shaky. Oh, gives up the lead to Braxton Bush. They're battling for the lead here at Daytona. Oh, here comes Michael McDowell trying to make it 3 wide. 3 wide coming to turns 3 and 4. Here they come out of turn 4 to complete the first green flag lap of the day. And Braxton Bush will lead it. Oh, Braxton Bush is around. He's up and over. He's doing barrel rolls. Jimmy Johnson, 17 into the wall. They're all wrecking. Oh, the one of Jimmy Johnson goes flying. What a wreck. Let's take a look at that replay. So it looks like the 17 turns the 7, and the 17 gets into the 1 here. And I think, yeah, Jimmy Johnson gets clipped into the wall, just flings back. That was a crazy wreck. We're going to be back to green here at Daytona for the Kit Kat 350. Oh, Michael McDowell's already around barrel rolls. He's up over the inside wall. Oh my. That was a crazy wreck here, folks. Look at that car. It's been up like crazy. That is one wrecked race car. He's going to have to go to the back of the pack. Here they are racing for position for the restart. It's going to be probably Corey Heim, since these two cars are lap down. Speaking of a lap down, let's look at that replay. So the 23 turns the 38, gets up and over, starts doing barrel rolls, gets into the air, goes up and over the inside wall. That is one heck of a wreck. We're about to go underway. We are back to green here at Daytona for the Kit Kat 350. Mind you, on lap 7 and onward, if there is a caution, we will reset the lap count so everyone's on the same lap. Getting a little frisky. Corey Heim is there. Braxton Bush and Jimmy Johnson are trying to stay unlapped. Here they come out of turns 3 and 4. Just look for that caution. Between now and lap 11, we're eligible for... Oh, there's contact. Oh, there's retaliation. Oh, they're up and over. Contact. Oh, my. Oh, what a wreck. 3 cars were involved. We've got to look at that replay. We will, after the position race, we will have a caution here. Everyone will be resetted. It looks like contact between the 23 and the 17. Then the 17 comes back for retaliation. And then they just go sliding. I'm pretty sure that's the 20... No, the 4, Chris Wright, that also gets involved. Well, folks, we are back to green. Everyone's on the same lap here at Daytona for the Kit Kat 350. Jimmy Johnson leading strong, but look out for that Hendricks number 7 of Braxton Bush. Here they come onto the backstretch. Braxton Bush looking onto the inside. Right on board with Chase Elliott. It's not his race today. They're battling for the lead. Braxton Bush will take the lead at Daytona. But here comes Corey Heim and Jimmy Johnson. They're 3 wide. It will be Braxton Bush leads that lap, but they're still 3 wide coming into the turn. This is one exciting race here at Daytona. What a win it would be for Braxton Bush in the 7 truck. The last win of his father was in. Here comes Jimmy Johnson in the 1, though. He's trying to retake that lead. Corian dives down low there, 3 wide once again. Braxton Bush still holds, but it's not going to be for long. This is one exciting race. Corey Heim trying to take the lead. Here they come. They are 3 wide. He's 3 wide. Jimmy Johnson will retake the lead. He's clear. He is clear. They are getting bumping and banging. Jimmy Johnson blocks the number 7. This is one exciting race. If the caution happens now till 2 laps to go, you will have an overtime race. Jimmy Johnson coming up. They're 3 wide, but it's not fully. Jimmy Johnson has a full car length. No more. Corey Heim is there. Corey Heim gets spun. He's barrel rolling into the pits. We have a caution. We are going to overtime, ladies and gentlemen. That is one heck of a wreck there for Corey Heim in the 11 car. That is crazy. Let's take a look at that replay. See what happened. Looks like see the 11 car on the bottom. He goes up. He gets a little loose. He tries to retake the spot on the bottom, but he's not clear. He spins, and then he goes up and over. Starts doing barrel rolls at the entrance of pit road. We've been seeing all types of wrecks here. We are back to green here at Daytona, maybe for the final time. Jimmy Johnson is leading once again. What a race win for the 7-time Cup Series champion this could be. But don't discount that number 7. He is there. He could easily catch up. Here they come up into turn 3. Looking pretty alright right now. But here comes Braxton Bush on the inside, challenging Jimmy Johnson. We are 2 laps to go here at Daytona. Here comes Jimmy Johnson, Braxton Bush on the inside. Caution would end the race next lap. Here comes Roger Carruth in the 23 Chevrolet. He goes up on the top. Here comes Braxton Bush. Braxton Bush is coming. He retakes the lead. They are coming 3 wide. 3 wide. We have 1 lap to go. Sponsored by Credit One Bank. This is one heck of a race. Jimmy Johnson out front. Here comes Braxton Bush. Oh, the 4. Chris Wright gets into the wall. We're still green here at Daytona. Braxton Bush is to the lead, but it ain't over yet. Jimmy Johnson goes to the outside. Here comes the 23 car. Oh, Braxton Bush goes to the middle, opening the door for the 38 car for a win at Daytona. It's between Braxton Bush and the 38. Who's gonna take it? Coming off the turns 4, Braxton Bush in the wall. It will be Michael McDowell will win the Kit Kat 350. What a race here, folks. That was one heck of a race.